Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel, and thank you for stopping by. This is going to be a fun video, I'm hoping. This is my Fab Fit Fun mystery bundle battle with Johana from JM Unboxing and More, and of course I'll have her in the description. This is our 22nd battle. 22nd battle, y'all. I mean, I can't believe it. So this has been going on for 2 years. A little bit longer maybe even, because we were doing this monthly, and then sometimes with holiday and things it's been stretched out a little bit, and now the price of the bags have gone up to $39. They were $29, and I honestly was struggling with the $29 price already. So I do have a couple of bags, and we're going to continue to do the battles, and Johana most likely will have newer bags and mine are a little bit older, so we'll see how they compare. And yeah, this bag that I have here today is $29, and it does okay. And here it is, a real quick look. I did want to tell you some as I'm hey, it undid on its own. I'll take the stuff out and show you the bag number, but I wanted to tell you a little bit about Johana. Johana's channel is so much fun. She gets everything. She gets all kinds of fun stuff. She loves makeup. Her very favorite subscription is Fab Fit Fun. She gets, I think, 3 subscriptions to Fab Fit Fun. She loves it so much. And she gets uncustomized boxes, and she gets mystery bundles, and she just loves it. And she, really gets into, she uses a lot of things for gifts and decor for her house. She's got a family. She's got a young son. She's got a daughter as well that's grown. And but her son is home with them, and she has a full-time job, and she's in management. She's a higher up. I don't know where she finds the time to film, let alone, I mean, I really don't know, but she loves to shop. So she's a fun person to battle with. So much fun. We've met each other early on in our channels. I honestly don't remember how we met. Maybe we were in a collab together. I really don't know. You tend to meet people, and then like everybody seems to meet the same channel at one time. So I'm not sure how we met, but she's just one of my dearest friends. So I just adore her. And y'all, if you don't, I can't imagine that you don't know her, but if you don't know her, you'll have to be subscribed to her to participate in this giveaway. She's doing a giveaway. I'm doing a giveaway. You have to be publicly subscribed to both of us. And the giveaway will run for 2 weeks. I'll have all the dates and stuff in the description. Usually we end ours on the same day, and then we announce at the same time. I make a video usually to announce my winner, and then Johana usually will do a community tab, but make sure you listen to her instructions and directions. Her instructions may be a little bit different than mine, okay? So mine is just the usual. Fab Fit Fun has nothing to do with this. YouTube has nothing to do with this. I bought this with my own money. What I'm gonna do is show you what's in my mystery bundle, and then I'm gonna get you pricing. And just so you know the value of it. We will do a giveaway, but it'll be a mystery giveaway. And anybody that's ever won a giveaway from me or from Johana knows we give you good stuff. So it's well worth participating in. And you have to be subscribed publicly to both of us. I think I did say that. For me, you have to be in the U.S. You have to have a U.S. address. I have found out that I can send things to Hawaii and Alaska. In priority mail, it will cost the same as the priority mail that I already pay for. So yay! So if you're in Alaska or Hawaii, you can participate. I'm so excited. So I don't have to say continental U.S. anymore. I don't think that is true for Puerto Rico though. So if anybody, I don't think I have anybody from Puerto Rico, but if I do, tell me, and I'll check with the post office about it. 18 years or older, those are rules, I think, from YouTube. Publicly subscribed, like I said, I'll have the information below. And if I send you anything and you have an allergic reaction, I'm not responsible for that. Please test your skin for anything. And also, when I take it to the post office, I'll get a tracking number, and if it's lost or stolen, I'm not responsible for it. I hope that all makes sense. Okay, let's see what I got. First of all, my bag number, because a lot of people like the bag number. it's 2204. So that is the year 2022, and that number 4 is the fourth quarter, which was wintertime. That's when I got this bag. Mystery, MOS, mystery, and this is 029. So if you have seen other people with 029, or if you got 029, we may have one or two of the same items. We may have all of the same items. I'm not really sure. Being that it's a little bit older, you may have already seen this one if you don't get the mystery bundles yourself. But to me, it's a surprise. I've not seen it before. So let's see what we got. I don't know where to start. Okay, let's start with this because I just picked it up. Okay, this is called Uplift 3 Essential Oils. Let me show you the packaging, and then we'll open it and see what it looks like in there. It says eucalyptus, lemongrass, and sweet orange with fractionated coconut and jojoba oil. So I like essential oils. This is from this company is like Wow or something like that. What is it? WW? I forget, but they don't really. Way of Will. That's what it's called. WOW. Way of Will. They don't really put their logo on there very big, in my opinion. They're out of Canada. That's cool. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like. As soon as I open it, I can smell it. It smells good. Oh, they're wrapped in little papers, which is nice. Keep them buffered. Okay, these are, I use essential oils sometimes when I'm not feeling well. Like eucalyptus is good for breathing if you have sinus issues, which I often have. And lemongrass, I'm not sure what lemongrass is good for. I know that lemongrass, I'm pretty sure, is good for outside for mosquitoes, I think. And then sweet orange just smells good, but I think orange citrus can keep bugs out of the house, like if you put it on your threshold and stuff. Anyway, so these are the cute little bottles. Sweet orange, eucalyptus, and lemongrass. And there's different things you can do with essential oils. You can have a diffuser and other things like that. So that is the first item that I have. And I don't, this is a surprise to me. I don't know what the pricing is. I'll find the pricing and come back. Okay. Next I have a dreaded item that for some reason they put a scrunchie in every mystery bundle these days. Every single one. And this one, this is by Noir, Noir, trademark. Very pretty label. And then it really is very beautiful. It is silky black silk. It's very large. I think you have to have a lot of hair to use this. This would probably be pretty with a bun, circling a bun or something. I know I just touched it everywhere, but I'm going to put it back in the bag. I don't know if I'll be able to find a pricing on this. Let's see what else it says. It says scrunchie, New York, distributed by Noir TM for the trademark. Okay. So that is, I don't know why. I wish FabFitFun would give me the job of making up the mystery bundles because y'all would be happy all the time. Happy all the time. Okay. Next up is this. This is neat. I like this. This is by XO Sienna. We've had that brand before from FabFitFun. And this is opened already. It says, whether you're hitting the gym or traveling to a tropical destination, this insulated water bottle is the perfect size to carry wherever your active lifestyle leads. In fact, I think not too long ago, I got one of these in a mystery bundle. I think these are very, very nice. I do carry water to work with me. So this is pretty. It's, tin or stainless steel probably. There's the XO Sienna label. It is a cream colored, I would say. Yeah, more cream colored than white because the box is white. Well, maybe it's white. Got a fuzz in my mouth, sorry. And then it has, just a design to it on the outside. It has a nice, tight, secure lid. And then it's stainless steel inside. Does it say? It's 16 ounces. So that is the same size. I think a water bottle is 16.9, you know, the water bottles that you buy. This is way bigger looking than a water bottle. I have a water bottle right here. So, but maybe because of this stopper plunging down, I don't really know, but that's very pretty. I like that. Okay, and then we have a piece of jewelry. So this is it here. Stella and Ruby is the brand of the jewelry. And it's very pretty packaging. I love that sparkle going on there, y'all. Okay, let's see. So there it is, Stella and Ruby. And it's a bracelet. Excuse me, it's a bracelet. Oh, this is one of those. Okay, this is nice because it can fit anybody, really. The tag is on there, but this goes around your wrist. This is pretty. It's a silver silver bars or chain, and then this light, and then this is like that what do you call it? You pull this. Well, I can't do it one-handed, but you pull that and the bead goes, you pull the bead up and then it fits any wrist. That's pretty, I like that. Okay, let me come back with the pricing. All right, the silk scrunchie, it's silk. I didn't say that earlier because I didn't know it. It is valued at $16. Silk is great for your hair, they say. And it's very beautiful, I will say that. And it's silk. So that's, I would say no way for $16 for a scrunchie, but I don't have long hair and I wouldn't pay for silk. But they say this is silk. It's probably, you know, satin or, you know, fake silk, but $16 value. And the essential oils, the Way of Will, saying that backwards, the Uplift 3 essential oil package is valued at $30. And then the thermal water bottle is valued at $24. And see, now that's normal price. That's normal. When you see these bottles outside here, they're $24 is normal, okay? And the bracelet, the Stella and Ruby bracelet, which is quite beautiful. This is what you do, is you pull on this little thing to adjust it to fit. That is valued at $60. So my mystery bundle is valued at $130. So I definitely got my money's worth out of this one, paying $29 for it. And what Johana and I would like you to do is watch both videos, like both videos, and comment. You don't really have to comment on both videos, but vote. Do you like my bundle better or do you like Johana's bundle better? You can comment on my video, you can comment on her video, you can comment on both if you'd like, that'd be fine. And just vote and we will see who has the better bundle. I have not seen her bundle and she has not seen my bundle. So it's fun. It's fun because I love to go over and see what she gets. And I'm glad that here lately, when I say that, the last year or so, you know, for a while, when I first started getting mystery bundles, you could get such a dud. But lately, in the last year or so, the ones I see are pretty decent. Even my refill bundle that I put up a day or two ago, it wasn't spectacular, but it was worth the money that I paid for it. So that is what I want to do, is get the value out of it, and I did. So, and several pretty things too. So let me know what you like out of my bundle. If you like my whole bundle, if you like it, say you like it better than Johana's, or if you don't, say that you don't, Johana, you like hers better. And that's it. And I think I've said everything. I think I've oversaid everything. So the rules will be below for the giveaway, and this will end in 2 weeks. And thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings and give my best to Johana. Bye, y'all.